Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something different, which is something normal that I usually say to you guys. But I thought I was on vacation last week and I got a bunch of mail. So I thought I would do an unboxing video. Now some people are like, this is just stupid. But I thought I would share with you some of the things that I have here. I've got from different companies. One of the big companies that I use the most is AliExpress, and we have all kinds of goodies. And I started opening these, but I thought I'd just open them with you and kind of show you what different things that I have here and just kind of go from there. So the very first thing that I opened, and I was getting ready to open a whole bunch of stuff, and I thought, just do it with you guys. I have mica powder, and I love this with different kinds of mediums, especially with your varnishes. Varnishes do really well with micro powder, and these are like your pearl colors and stuff like that. So I'll be doing some videos, some golds, some whites, and that sort of thing. Again, these are AliExpress, and that's one of my favorite places to shop, unfortunately. I get all kinds of goodies from there. So I'm just going to kind of open some different things, and hopefully I don't need anything really strong to open up. One of the things that if you decide to do YouTube is everybody wants you to wear cute shirts. So I have done, when this goes up, will be my 71st video. So I've had 71 different shirts that I usually I wear shorts or something comfortable, sometimes jeans, that sort of thing, depends on the weather. But I was kind of like having to recycle some of my shirts because I don't have that many, and right after COVID hit and I was going to be working from home more, I got rid of a bunch of my business clothes and stuff like that. And usually when I start filming, I don't know if I get a little nervous or something like that, but it's really warm, so I usually don't wear long sleeves. I like the short sleeves. So I ordered a bunch of little t-shirts, and they were like $2–3 a piece. I just thought they were so cute. So I have some cute shirts to wear for you guys, and I was trying to do things that like cat prints, like cheddar, and so I'm thinking that's why it's in most of these bags, and I think that's what it is. Is all these cute little shirts, and like I said, I thought they kind of looked similar to like a Paint by Number, so I thought they were really just adorable. I mean, look at these. Aren't they cute? They're just white little t-shirts, right? So I'll be putting those on, and I'll talk to you about them as I wear them on my channel. Like I said, I got a whole bunch of them. At $3 a piece, like cheap as dirt. And there's a couple more. And I swear, when I was looking at some of these patterns, I'm like, I've seen some of those on Paint by Number, which is funny. So I got some, see, aren't they cute? Adorable, right? And they'd be cute for summer wear too, so, oh, why not? Oh, one more. Oh, cheddar cat. Holding a fish. Ah, isn't that cute? This is a black t-shirt. So I think those are just going to be so cute to wear in the next few days on my channel. So, and then I think I ordered a camera. I know everybody uses their iPhones and phones to take pictures, but I wanted a camera, and I broke out some of our old cameras here at home. As you know, that I use my old camcorder religiously to videotape my videos, but I wanted to get a little camera, a newer one. So I ordered a camera because what I'm wanting to do is I'm wanting to have my own Paint by Number company, but I thought it would be cute to take pictures of nature and things like that. And then I'll have them sent off to, and I'm testing different companies out there to see who I'd want to make my Paint by Numbers. I don't want to do them, I don't want to make them myself, but I want them to be my own prints. So So I just ordered a cute little camera, and I think that is going to do what I want it to do. So I'll let you know as I take pictures. I've been gathering pictures, and if I see a really cool picture that maybe a friend has taken, I'll ask them if I have permission to have a copy of the print, so I can make some paint by numbers out of them. So yeah, so I'm anxious to see how that works out. So we shall see about that. And let's see, I think these are paint by numbers. And I don't know, let's see the company. These came from California. I think these are one of the paint by number companies that I like to order. Yep, they are. Look at all these. Goodness gracious. Am I going to live long enough to paint all these paint by numbers? Let's see, what do I have here? 1, 2, 3. I guess that's not too bad. 3 of them. Oh, yeah, these are really cool. It's like the Coco Chanel from a bathroom. And I don't even know what that is. Maybe a flower or something? They smell funny. They smell like, what does that smell? I've smelled that before, but I can't figure out what it is. One more time. I don't know. Maybe ink. Might be ink. Oh, and another like little bottles, because they want to. I think it'd be cute for my makeup area and stuff like that. So those are cute. Not sure what that is. I want to say, it kind of looks like a frog, but I don't know that I've ordered a frog. I don't know. Let me see what else we got in here in the package. And all the paints. Now what I do is that's all of them. Oh, they're all individual. Can you imagine whoever's making these? Like, okay, I need all these different. Oh, he has is a turtle. Oh, isn't he cute? He is cute. I got that for our new floor. We purchased a place in Florida, and I thought he would look cute hanging on the wall in Florida. So I'll probably actually maybe take him down there and actually do him there. This thing's got 24 different colors with it. My goodness. It's a bunch of them. Now, they don't, yeah, they did. They sent, I'm going to open this so you can get an idea of what they sent here. But I will do my best to list the company next to my face here as to where these came from. They gave me the numbers 1 through 5, or 1 through 5, 1 through 24. I always have these. I bought these years ago, and if by chance they don't send me the numbers, I can just write them on a sticky thing. But they sent the numbers. They sent the traditional blue paintbrushes. I actually like their paintbrushes. One thing they didn't send, which is interesting, is so many of people send these little, a whole bunch of them, I like to hang a picture with. I always just toss them. I do. Because either I put them in print or sell them or whatever. But yeah. Now I prefer, as you guys know, I would prefer my paints to be vacuum packed, and these are not. And these don't have numbers on them. I also, a lot of your paint by numbers have numbers on the prints as well as numbers on these. And because what I do is I put these where they can lay flat, because they're wrapped around this thing here, styrofoam round thingy. So I lay them flat. I have a kind of a, what do I want to call it, like a bench seat in front of my window, one of my windows, and then I have cushions on top of it. So I just lift the cushions up and put it underneath there, and they get flatter as they stay underneath that weight. So that's, and then I have a little, like a little bin like thing that I put the paints in. So if they have numbers that match those, if it's 6 months from now, and I'm thinking I'm digging for this, and I'm looking at the picture, like that one I was trying to figure, is that a frog or a flower, that sort of thing. So, but there's numbers on here, so I may put a little sticker somewhere, like one of these little stickers, to correspond with that number, just because they're going to be separated, right? Yeah. Okay. So let's see what I got here. I've got, like I said, the Chanel, and see, they have numbers on them. See the numbers at the bottom? There's like 6885. And that correlates with this thing here. Oh, they do have numbers. I just didn't see them. Oh, I'm just being blind today. That one has a big number on it, and because they all fall on the floor. All but the frog. Or not the frog, the turtle. The turtle doesn't have a number. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. Okay. I just couldn't see them. They're all in different places. Usually, you think about them coming all from the same company, but their numbers are all in the same spot. These are like in different corners. That's okay. I'll survive. Anyway, and each of them have fresh brushes with them, and then the little number thingies are in here. So, yeah, plenty of things to do. Like I said, I want to put these in my bathroom. I have another one that I kind of made. It's not, I'll show it to you someday. But I thought I'm ready to kind of redo my bathroom, and I think these would be cute to hang in the bathroom. Okay. Okay, let me get these out of the way. Let's see what else. And I think this is funny. Before I pulled this out, I was thinking, this is what comes in the mail, right? So, and I got this from, I believe this was Amazon, I believe. And I'm thinking that it's a paint by number, right? So I can get it out. I opened the end of it, but I think it is, what is this? I'm still not sure what it is. I ordered wrapping paper. So when and I think that's what this is, I wanted some really cute packaging for when people, so I'm starting to get more commissioned paintings. Not a bunch, but a few more. So I wanted something where I could wrap them so that people feel like they're getting like a little treat. Let me get this open here. So I ordered some like wrapping paper with my name on it. That'd be kind of cool, right? And it's just kind of cool because I just got invited to a little birthday party tomorrow, and I think I got some paintings that I would like to give away, and so I think I will wrap for paintings that this looks different than what I thought I ordered. So see what it looks like. You guys see? Well, it's kind of cool. It's not exactly what I thought it would be. Let me see here. That's what it feels like. But it's real thick. Well, I have a bunch of it, that's for sure. I think what I'm going to do, because I've got some, this is not exactly what I thought it was going to be. I have some shows coming up. I've got invited to a couple shows, and I need a banner. So I may use some of this as my banner. Look how big it is. I was thinking it was going to be like wrapping paper, like my name, like just like all over it. It looks more like a banner type thing. I don't know. We shall see. So anyway, I have a bunch of it. But I think it would be cool to put it on. It almost has that feeling like it's like I don't know. It's thick. Very thick. I was wanting more like tissue paper. That's what I get for looking at the fine print of what I order, right? Well, so there you have it. So I have a variety of different things. I thought maybe you guys might get a kick out of this, me opening these things that I've ordered. Sometimes I order them and then I forget what it is that I've ordered because a lot of times they take a while to get here. So, yes. I have a mess to clean up down here. So I wanted to thank you, and I look forward to trying the t-shirts on and filming some. I have some, like I said, some commission paintings that I need to do over in the studio, so I'll be bouncing over there here shortly, possibly today, maybe today, maybe tomorrow. So to get some of those things done. So, all right. So there you have it. If you could hit that little subscribe button. He's kind of hidden down in the corner there. He's right under about where I'm pointing. So if you could hit that subscribe button, I sure would appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up, comments if you want to. So yeah, this will be a combination of a couple feeds and then my unboxing video. This is my first unboxing. I did one a while back, but didn't turn out very well. It was back when I was first filming, and it was like, yeah. Anyway, we'll talk about that a different day. All right, so as always, go out there, be great, be awesome, do your thing, and I will see you in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.